With their vacation coming to an end, John and Amanda want to make the last day of their vacation an enjoyable one. But with hauling their luggage, waiting in long airport lines, and dealing with the stressfulness of traveling, John and Amanda don't know how this is possible. Wait, I think John and Amanda might have found something. Remote airline check-in service allows you to check in for your flight, receive your airline boarding pass, and have freedom from your luggage until your home airport. Representatives will input your flight and contact information into the computer system. You will then be issued your airline boarding pass, and luggage will be tagged. Representatives will then securely store your luggage for transport to the airport. Once at the airport, luggage will be scanned and screened by security agents for collection by your airline. You will be able to go directly to your airline gate once at the airport, bypassing the airline check-in counters. The next time you see your bags will be at your home airport. To qualify for remote airline check-in, you must be flying on one of our participating airline partners. For more information, please visit www.plusservicescompany.com. Airline baggage fees still apply when using remote airline check-in service.